Ready to attract the life you deserve? Understanding the power of salt in ritual. Salt has long been a symbol of purity, protection, and divine favor across countless cultures. It's more than just a kitchen staple. Salt is used to cleanse, preserve, and protect. When combined with prayer and intention, salt water becomes a spiritual powerhouse that draws in positivity and repels negativity. Try this powerful salt water ritual, an ancient technique for attracting blessings and embracing divine favor. What's the magic behind the ritual? The salt water ritual is all about combining the energy of your name and desires with the cleansing power of salt. Across cultures, salt symbolizes purification, protection, and positivity, making it the perfect ingredient for spiritual breakthroughs. By pairing it with prayer and your intentions, you're creating a spiritual catalyst that channels divine favor and abundance. The salt water ritual. Transform your life and attract blessings. Looking to draw in blessings, turn around rejections, and welcome more positivity into your life? Here's a powerful, time-tested ritual that uses the purifying power of salt to reset your energy and invite divine favor. Step into the flow, a simple yet profound ritual. Write your full name and intentions. Start by writing your full name and a heartfelt list of intentions on a piece of paper. Be specific. What do you want to change? More blessings? Overcoming obstacles? A fresh start? Immerse your intentions in salt water. Submerge your paper in a bowl of salt water. As you do, imagine the salt washing away negativity and creating a protective shield around your desires. See your name shining brightly, like a beacon calling in blessings. Invoke divine favor with prayer. Speak your prayers with conviction, asking for divine blessings and favor over every area of your life. Say something like, God, let your blessings flow through my name. Transform every rejection into acceptance, every closed door into a new opportunity. Store and seal. Your intentions. Leave the solution for 5 to 7 days in a safe place, continuing to speak life and blessings over it. Visualize the water absorbing and purifying any lingering negative energies. Release and renew after 5 to 7 days. Discard the water safely. Imagine all the negativity draining away, leaving your name and intentions sparkling clean and bursting with positive energy. Embrace the shift. Regularly affirm positive statements about yourself and your life. I am favored. I am blessed. Success flows to me effortlessly. Let these words create a powerful aura of attraction around you, drawing in the life you desire. Want to boost your energy even further? Try black salt. Looking for a stronger cleanse? Create black salt by mixing regular salt with crushed charcoal. Black salt is a powerful tool for deep cleansing and removing stubborn negative energy from your space. Sprinkle it around your home or carry it with you for an extra layer of spiritual armor. Why does this ritual work? The key lies in the symbolic power of intention. By physically submerging your name in salt water, you're aligning yourself with a state of purity and favor. As you pray and store the solution, your words and thoughts become an energetic imprint that's absorbed into the water. When you discard it, you're releasing old energy patterns and making space for new, positive ones to enter. Your personalized prayer for favor and success. Say this with sincerity. God, you are the source of all favor and blessings. Pour your favor upon me. Let every setback become a setup for success, and every challenge turn into a testimony. I thank you for your protection, your guidance, and the abundant blessings that are now coming my way. Feel free to personalize it. Speak from your heart. Your words are your power. Ready to attract the life you deserve? Give this ritual a try and watch as your life begins to shift. Feel the energy of abundance, favor, and positivity surrounding your name and intentions. Combine faith with action, and you'll be amazed at the miracles that start unfolding. Believe, pray, and watch your life transform. I hope you found this video interesting and see you again soon. Like, share, subscribe.